Bright ray for clear visibility. The appropriate mix and match of spot beams and flood beams provides a long irradiation distance and broad view. Adjustable mounting bracket. With adjustable mounting bracket, the work light can adjust to about 45 degrees, which makes changing direction of light beam easier. The lamp can be slid after install the accessory. 2 available leads. 12-foot extendable wiring harness, 2 sets of light output connectors for dual light fixtures less than 180 W. Wide application. Suitable for almost all 12 volts battery vehicles, such as Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, cars, motorcycles, ships, yachts and trailers. Package includes 1 PC 126-watt LED light bar, 1 by 5-pin rocker switch wiring harness kit. Specification. LED power, 126 W, 42x3 W high-intensity LED. Beam pattern. Flood spot combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles. Working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours. Working temperature. -4085 degrees Celsius. LED color temperature. Pure white 6000K 6500K. Material. 6063 aluminum alloy profile, high-quality lead chips, PC lens. Waterproof rate. IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Certifications. CE, FCC and RoHS. Wiring harness. 12 feet universal wiring harness kit, 2 leads. Wire gauge. 16 Aruban florins, operating voltage, 12 volts DC. Max wattage, 180 W, max ampere, 15 A. 5-pin on-off rocker switch, District of Columbia 12V automotive relay, inline blade fuse with 3 extra fuses. Applications. Off-road lighting, backup light, Jeeps, 4x4, cars, motorcycles, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, trains, boat, bus, road buggy, sandrail, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, mower, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, camping, mining, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note. Use a voltage transformer converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Top reviews from the United States. Great value, not obnoxious. I wasn't looking for Baja 1000 lighting, just something to get the high beams up to what this 22 Frontier should have come with for $40K. I stuck it behind the grille so it didn't stick out and triggered the relay from the high beam. The truck has auto-dim high beams plus one for that. Very happy with the improvement for the price.